Welcome everyone! Today we're going to be harvesting Saan Choy, also known as Chinese spinach, from my garden. We're also going to be stir frying it in a black bean garlic sauce. So what you see here is Chinese spinach, which we call Saan Choy. The way you harvest is that you leave the leaves on the bottom. You don't pluck it out because it'll continue growing. So what you do is you just take the top part. Okay, so the top part is the only part that you need, the young part that you can stir fry. We normally use black bean and garlic to stir fry, and we sometimes make soup with it. Make sure you don't overcook it. If you overcook this vegetable, it becomes really slimy. Okay, so one more time, you're just gonna take the top part like this. Okay, take the young leaves like that, and leave the bottom, because what happens is that it'll continue to grow. See, one plant actually splits into multiple stems. So again, I'm going to do it one more time, just the top. Okay. And you can continue to harvest this throughout the season. Because we're only using the top young leaves to stir fry today, it's not really dirty, so you're going to give it a quick rinse and drain it. We normally pick the young leaves to stir fry and use the big green leaves on the bottom to make soup. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to wok on high heat, then add 1 teaspoon of black bean and garlic sauce and saute for 5 seconds. Then you're going to add your Saan Choy and continue to stir fry until all the leaves wilt. Do not overcook this vegetable. What happens when you overcook it is it becomes really slimy, so you want to maintain the crunchiness and freshness of the vegetable. So a quick stir fry is all you need to do for this vegetable. As you are stir frying the vegetable, you'll notice that the leaves are starting to wilt. When all the leaves have wilted, you know it's ready to eat. I hope you like this quick, simple, and delicious recipe. If you would like to see us harvesting more vegetables from my garden, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.